Assalamualaikum and hello. I am Teacher Farhan and today I will be presenting a topic called Echolalia. Introduction. What is echolalia? Echolalia is the repetition or echoing of words or sounds that one hears from someone else. It is also an important step for language development in children. Echolalia can also be a sign of autism or developmental disability in children or neurological problem in adults. Type of echolalia. Immediate echolalia. Children repeat words right after they hear them. This is the immediate one. And the second one is the delay echolalia. Children memorize a phrase and repeat it verbally in later time. Age involved. Echolalia presents as imitation and can be a part of typical language development from age 18 months to 30 months of age. Echolalia can be a problem if it continues in children older than 3 years old. It can happen in children with autism spectrum disorder like Asperger syndrome. Causes. There are 4 causes that I would like to highlight. The first one is child may not be able to communicate effectively. The second one is child unable to understand the communication. The third one is child struggle to express their own thoughts. And the fourth one, which is the last one, is to draw attention or calling for attention. Effects. Echolalia in children diagnosed on the autism spectrum can be a positive thing. It indicates that the child is at least processing the language. They hear it even though their response may be at sub-functional level. Echolalia sign. The first one is tend to repeat words or noise from other people or any media such as television or radio. The second one is unable to understand the communication effectively. That's all from me. Thank you very much.